Welcome back, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. I have printed out the label that I designed in Canva, and I printed 3 to a page, so you can get 3 on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, print in landscape mode, okay? I have my 1-ounce Cracker Jack box here, and I am going to lay it down and apply this label to it. All I'm going to do is just remove the backing. I always use these tweezers because I can get a better grip on my paper. So I'm going to pull the backing down. I'm not going to go all the way with my backing. Just going to wait and get it lined up, and then I'll pull the rest of the backing off, okay? So I'm going to line my label here at the top, and I'm going to press the label down as I'm pulling the backing with the other hand. Okay? It's that simple, guys. This is our Cracker Jack box. It came out just fine. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.